You know, they say there's something that draws artistic and special-minded people to Austin, Texas. Definitely seems to be true. My name's Bryan Roschetzky. You're watching Roschetzky Photography. Today we're going to go on a journey here in Austin, Texas to check out something radical, amazing, and innovatively new that Tesla is doing right here in my hometown. Now, when you spend so much time in the air with your drone looking straight down, you seem to find that there's a lot of rooftop space. And especially here in Texas, we have more sun than almost anywhere else in the country. This is the time. We need to be changing every single rooftop and installing rooftop solar on every roof going forward. But there is something much more profound about what Tesla is currently doing here in Southeast Austin. They are partnering with the builders to build the homes pre-installed with Powerwalls and Tesla solar shingles ready to go for the homeowner. This is going to cut down on installation costs dramatically and allow Tesla to distribute their entire product line at a more streamlined basis. But the true fact of the matter that the real revenue potential and the real changing and innovative part of this system is going to be from microgrids and energy arbitrage. We've even heard speculation that Tesla could at one point enable their products to mine cryptocurrency in the background while they have excess energy from sunny days. What do you think about this? Leave it down in the comments. Let us know. What are your true crazy ideas and how far do you think it's going to go? So as we walk around the home here, you can see the yard sign there, Easton Park by Brooksfield Residential. You can Google it and actually find that on the map as well. And I am pretty interested in finding out the true pace of installation here because I'm pretty sure I saw these same boxes on the news a few days before I had filmed this. So I am interested. I want to get back out here and film again and see how far they've come, see if there's any new homes with solar shingles as well, and see if there's any power walls at site or on location and see when the power walls are going to be installed. I wanted to just add, this is one of my neighbors. He has 2 power walls installed. Just wanted to show everyone what that looks like. And for anyone out there that's wondering how strong these Tesla solar roof tiles really are, actually Elon Musk tweeted on one of my photos on Twitter and replied with, also lasts much longer than normal roofs and is able to withstand hail and other medium-sized impacts. Which there was also some other replies saying like, what about an asteroid or whatever? And I said, well, you know, we do have Texas-sized hail because everything is larger in Texas. Look at
Giga Texas.
it is clear Tesla has won the decade and Tesla has won the race, providing entire ecosystems of products that can charge your car for free, can provide energy for not just your home, but for entire electric grids. What will the future hold? Tesla will be leading the way, whatever direction it goes. And this could spark an entirely new industry of drone solar tile cleaning services. And if so, Roschetzky Photography will be right there, ready to go. And so as we zoom out, let's take a wide look at what we're looking at the implications of what the landscape of our nation really is. We're a nation of homeowners. We love large homes, mansions, swimming pools. We love that. And what we will love is the next home, the new home, the Tesla home. How many homes do we have to turn into mini microgrids, mini power plants that can power our future? How many homes? The numbers are staggering. And I am so happy and thrilled for this Tesla solar home revolution. Because growing up across the street from oil refineries, it is clear this is not the answer. Millions of homes with just shingles providing nothing. We will see an entire solar shingle revolution with Tesla leading the way. And as I've always said, I've wanted to be the worst environmentalist the Koch brothers have ever seen. And if this is the one way I can do it, I'm going to bring you this information and keep showing the world how Tesla is changing the entire industry and bringing on the third electrification revolution. And it looks great. So thanks again for watching. There's links for my Patreon and all that great stuff down in the description. Please like, subscribe, all that stuff. But most importantly, I really want to make sure that this actually kind of touches some people and makes some people realize that maybe we should do something. If you're thinking about getting an electric car or a Tesla and it's just right out of the budget, think about the implications of the long term, how much you're going to save over a long term. I know it's hard for us to really look at long term, but think about it, everyone. If you've got that mansion home, if you're sitting in with that swimming pool and that $1 million backyard, meet Kevin, all those guys. If you think about it, it's time to make the change. Do what you can do to push the electrification revolution over the edge. All right, everyone. Thanks again. Peace.